Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Directv Gemini device. First, carefully unpack your Gemini and all its accessories, ensuring nothing is missing. Next, take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the Gemini device and the other end to an available HDMI input on your television. Finally, plug the power adapter into your Gemini and then into a working electrical outlet. This powers up your device, preparing it for the next steps. Once your Gemini device is powered on, it's time to pair your remote. Press and hold the dash and enter buttons on your remote simultaneously until you see a pairing message on your screen. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to finalize the remote setup. After the remote is paired, you'll be prompted to connect to your home network. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password to establish an internet connection. With your Gemini connected to Wi-Fi, the next step is to log into your Directv account. You'll see a prompt on your TV screen asking for your account credentials. Enter your username and password carefully. After logging in, follow the on-screen activation steps to link your new Gemini device to your existing Directv service. The device may then take a few minutes to download and install any necessary software updates, so please be patient. Congratulations! Your Directv Gemini device is now fully connected and ready to use. You can now explore the intuitive user interface, browse through a vast library of on-demand content, and access all your favorite streaming applications. Enjoy seamless access to live television channels and a personalized viewing experience. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for an enhanced reading experience. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Get ready to enjoy all the entertainment your Gemini has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.